Hey everybody, it's Colorado Trailers. Wanted to show you guys a really cool 8.5 18 that we have in stock. This is a 2018 Haulmark Transport, which is our auto carry series, and an 8.5 18 two-tone. So you've got the silver front with the black back, polished aluminum strip between the two, nice diamond plate rock art along the bottom. You also have a 6-inch frame, so this is our heavier frame, extended triple tube tongue. This is at least on a 3-foot tongue, so good turning radius with this as well. This is stock number 14606. And a couple of features here I wanted to point out to you guys. You do have a gutter over your side door, and this is our nice big huge side door. This is a 48-inch side door. RV lock as well, so you've got a lock, a latch, and a set of keys. Give you guys a better shot of that two-tone here. Aluminum wheels, 235 100-pound axles with brakes. These are Goodyear radial tires as well. This one is insulated with windows, so we'll take a peek at that more in a second. Nice big drop-down stabilizer jacks. Come around here and show you guys the ramp door, and then we're just going to go in the side door. Here's your rear ramp door. Does have spring assist close. This one also has the round roof, LED strip tail lights. Back side of this RV lock gives you guys this piece right here, which is a lock, a latch, and a set of keys. So it's a nice feature. Interior step coming in as well. And then we're inside. This trailer has a 7-foot 3-inch interior height, so it's going to give you about a 6'10", 6'11" rear door opening because it has a dovetail in the rear. You guys can see insulated walls and ceiling, vinyl wall and ceiling liner, couple of overhead LED lights, as well as a roof vent, so you guys can get some great cross ventilation through here between the windows and your roof vents. 4 D-rings. We've got 2 at the rear, 2 at the front. And here's your dovetail. It is a 3-inch. You guys can see this floor drops down in the back. That is to make loading lower profile vehicles much easier. It helps with the brake and the angle coming into the trailer. And then you also have a nice transition flap. So this will fold out when the ramp is down from the ramp to the ground to also help with that angle coming in and out. So again, great auto carrier trailer. Vinyl wall and ceiling liner over the insulation. And then there's your 2 more D-rings right there up in the front. We've got a great price on this trailer right now. It's at $11,977 plus tax. And then we have an amazing sale happening for our 4th of July blowout sale now through July 14th, 2018. You can get $1,000 off any 8.5 wide in stock. So this is one of those units that would be included in that. And as always, give us a call. We'd love to earn your business. 303-688-8485, or check us out online, coloradotrailersinc.com.